In this video, we will set up our lab so that we can learn and understand the security bugs. The first software we need is XAMPP. XAMPP helps us to create our local host on which we will run our own website for learning. If you already know how to run localhost, then you can use your own familiar software. So let's download the XAMPP. First, go to Google and type XAMPP or go to their official website, which is apachefriends.org. Now on this website, you'll see the download section for different operating systems. Here it is for Windows system, for Linux system and for Mac system. I'm using Ubuntu, which is a Linux distro, so I will click on Linux. If you are using Windows, you can click on Windows. Let's click on Linux and a prompt comes in. So I already downloaded it, so I will not download it now. If you are using Windows and you download the installer, then you can run the installer by double click on it. Now if you are using Linux, then I'll show you how to install it. Now go to your download folder where the file is, right click and open in terminal, or open your terminal and change the directory where the file is located. Now type chmod to make the file executable. Type chmod plus x and the file name XAMPP here. Now press enter. The file will be converted into executable. Now run it with super user permission. So type sudo space dot / and the file name. Press enter. Enter your password and you'll see our installer on the screen. Now you can install it like a Windows system. Click on next and install the software. If you have completed the wizard and installed the software, now go to your computer and go to your OPT folder, and then inside it LAMP folder, and you will here find the files. If you are using Windows system, then your directory will be C drive or any other drive on which operating system is installed. Inside that drive you'll find XAMPP folder, and inside that XAMPP folder you'll find htdocs folder. So this htdocs folder contains your web pages. Now if you are using your Windows system, then you can run your XAMPP by double click on its icon. If you are using Linux, then you have to do some more task to run it. Right click and open in terminal, or just open your terminal and change the directory by using cd command, which is change directory. Now here type sudo for the permission of super user, then press dot / and name of the file, which is manager-linux-x64.run, this file. Now press enter and enter your password, and you'll see the application. Now go to your manage servers and start your Apache web server and MySQL database. Fine. Now go to your browser and then type 127.0.1 / as you press enter, you will see XAMPP is installed successfully. If you are running Windows, then you can double click on your XAMPP icon and you'll find a prompt like this only, or similar like this. You have to start the services Apache web server and MySQL database for further videos. So that's it for this video. In next video, we will install more software for setting up our lab. Thank you and have a nice day.